Hey guys, I'm gonna be sharing with you exactly what I did with my kitchen waste in 30 days. Check out this video. We all know that homemade compost is invaluable due to the nutrients it provides and also its benefits to your garden. So by adding compost, it actually enhances plant health and growth and also boosts the plant's cellular structure. So in order to make your compost, you will be needing a container, and this container can be anything from a simple flower pot, a dustbin, a basin, a bucket, a wash pan, or anything that you choose. But what I'll be using today is a flower pot. You want to ensure that the flower pot, you bore holes into the bottom so that to allow air to enter as well as for drainage. You will also need a shallow tray or a shallow basin to place underneath the flower pot. The purpose of this is to collect the drainage from the compost. So in order to start the packaging of the materials, you will want to put garden soil in the bottom and make sure that it is evenly distributed across the bottom. Okay, then you will want to put some compost there as well. That would be like a second layer onto that. So this will help to introduce the correct bacteria to the compost. So now you will want to add kitchen waste to the pile, like food and vegetable scraps, fruit scraps, anything that you throw away from the kitchen. All this stuff you will want to add to the pile. These materials will break down quickly and they will not attract insects or rodents. You can add grass cuttings to it as well, or any other waste that you have that you know will break down easily. You can also add green leaves to the compost. The green materials, which are high in nitrogen, this helps to activate the heat process in the compost, so it will actually aid in the decomposing process. We will add eggshells, which are made from calcium carbonate. These are high in calcium, so these will be added to the compost as well. So you can either grind them into dust or you can crush them like I am doing right now and add it to the compost. To fasten the process, we will use more garden soil. We'll also add compost, more compost. So this will actually speed up the process. Compost will introduce earthworm to the mixture. So more garden soil be poured on it. This will actually help to keep the bad smell away and also fasten up the composting process. So you will just press the mixture gently with your hand so that all the ingredients come into contact with each other. Ensure you place a tray underneath the container to avoid spillage. Now you're going to water the mixture, right? Totally. Make sure you don't throw away the water that is drained from the container, but rather pour it back into the container, because this contains nutrients and useful bacteria that is needed in the whole composting process. You're going to place it in direct sunlight so that the waste will break down much quicker, and then you're going to water as needed, because at some point the mixture will get dry. You will want to turn over the contents periodically as well.